Welcome to all the participants of PHIC 132. Friends, today we discuss about Unit 7, 8 and 9. Unit
Good
7,
evening, sir.
good
Good
evening.
evening, sir.
Good evening. So today we discuss on Unit 7, Unit 8 and Unit 9. Unit 7 content economy and society in the post-Gupta period. Unit 8 polity, religion and culture in the post-Gupta period. And Unit 9 emergence of Rajput. So the Unit 7, at first we discuss about economy in the post-Gupta period. The economic condition of post-Gupta period was not so far good than the early Gupta period. There were certain changes in Indian economy. Many important cities such as Taxila, Kosambhi, Pataliputra ceased to exist after the Gupta period. Thereafter, the trade activities also suffered a setback because of various reasons. This is perhaps most clear from the fact that minting and circulation of coins were much more limited. ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଗୁପ୍ତ ଶାସନରେ ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ସମସ୍ୟା ଦେଖାଦେଇଥିଲା ଅର୍ଥନୀତି କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଆର୍ଥିକ ଦିଗରେ ଅନେକ ଯେଉଁ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ନଗରୀ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଧ୍ୱଂସ ପାଇଯାଇଥିଲା ट्रेड एक्टिविटीज वाणिज्य कारबार मध्य अनेक गुड़िए समस्या सम्मुखीन होता कहीं सहर गुड़िक अनेक लोप पाई अनेक ऐतिहासिक मत दियंती जे क्रूशियल एलिमेंट इन द चेन ऑफ डेवलपमेंट वाज द सिस्टम ऑफ लैंड ग्रांट दिया जाउथिला सेतेबेले समस्त को लैंड ग्रांट दिया जाउथिला एवं सेटा लिमिटेड थिला लैंड ग्रांट ग्रीव इन नंबर इन द गुप्ता एंड एस्पेशली पोस्ट गुप्ता टाइम्स एंड बिकेम वाइड स्प्रेड थ्रू आउट द कंट्री लैंड ग्रांट्स वर मेड टू ब्राह्मण्स एंड रिलीजियस एस्टैब्लिशमेंट लाइक टेम्पल्स एंड मोनास्ट्रीज ऑन ए लार्ज स्केल बाय किंग्स चीफ्स मेंबर्स ऑफ द रॉयल फैमिली एंड देयर फेउडेटरीज तो लैंड ग्रांट दिया जाउथला ब्राह्मण माननकु रिलीजियस एस्टैब्लिशमेंट जेमिति मंदिर मठ एमानकु लैंड ग्रांट दिया जाउथला धर्मशास्त्र लिटरेचर रेकमेंडेड द ग्रांट ऑफ लैंड और रेवेन्यूज देयर फ्रॉम टू स्टेट ऑफिशियल राज्य अधिकारी माननकु राज्य जो माने काम करूथिले सेमानकु मध्ये लैंड ग्रांट दिया जाउथला सैलरी हिसाब से दरमा हिसाब से so among other things land grants also had a bearing on the question of land rights the socio-economic condition of the peasantry the right to free enterprise of craftsmen and traders in the donated towns and the emergence of a relatively closed economy so the attachment of peasants artisans and merchants to their respective settlements. Peasants माने कृषक माने कलाकार माने वणिक माने से माने तांकर काम गुड़ी को अति लिमिटेड थिला रेस्ट्रिक्शन मध्य थिला देयर इन देयर मूवमेंट्स तांकर चल प्रचल गोटे स्थान अन्य स्थान को जिबारे सब रेस्ट्रिक्शन थिला सेति पई सेते बेले आर्थिक दिग एतेटा सच्छल हो पारि नथिला तो डिक्लाइन ऑफ ट्रेड मध्य तार पतन घटी थिला तार डेवलप होई नथिला कमर्शियल डिक्लाइन सेट इन ड्यूरिंग द गुप्ता पीरियड एंड इट बिकेम मोर प्रोनाउंस्ड बाय द मिडिल ऑफ द 6th century CE the inflow of roman coins into india stopped after the early century of the common era the emergence of the arabs and the Persians and edge competitors in trade did not help well or work well for Indian merchants. Indian merchants ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ କାମ କରିପାରିଲେନି। Silk and spices were important items in the Indo-Byzantine trade. Silk एवं मसला जातीय द्रव्य सब इम्पोर्टाट द्रव्य थिला सेते बेले ट्रेड पाई वाणिज्य कारबार करिवा पाई किंतु Byzantium however learned the art of growing silk ores in the middle of the 6th century. The silk trade was badly affected. भारत रे गुप्त परवर्ती समय रे सिल्क ट्रेड बा सिल्क वाणिज्य ताहा अति दयनीय भाव रे गति करुथिला कहीं ना जे जो बेंजान्टियम बा रोमान एम्पायर रे माने उटे जाति से माने सिल्क और बा सिल्क वस्त्र केमि तयारी करा जिवो सिल्क सूता केमि तयारी करा जिवो से माने से सब सिखि जाइथिले। So decline of trade was just not limited to foreign trade, long distance internal trade through खाली जे बाह्य देश सहित संपर्क छिन्न करथिला ताहा नुहे निज राज्य रे जो दूर स्थान मान को मध्य बणिक माने जीवा आसिबा करन पादले ता संभवपर होई पार नथिला। सेति पई सेई towns and further between towns and village गारू शहर शहर गाँ को जीवा आसिबा करबा होई पार नथिला। सेति पई ट्रेड बा वाणिज्य कारबार रे ता पतन घटिथिला। अब आ गोटे कारण होछि पॉसिटी ऑफ कॉइन्स मुद्रार स्वल्पता मुद्रा बेसी परिमाण रे तयारी होई पार नथिला कि बाह्य देश मध्य मुद्रा आसी पार नथिला। Decline of commerce is demonstrated by the paucity of coins in the post-Gupta period. Gold coins which were so abundant during the period of Kusana and of the Guptas went out circulation after 6th century. The absence of silver and copper coins also attracts attention. The gold contents of the later Gupta coins was only half of that of the Kusana coins. The coins of Harshavardhana are too much, and the Rashtrakutas and the Palas who came to power in the Deccan and Bengal respectively in 8th century issued no coins. Metallic currency was absent in most part of northern India, so Bengal, Odisha, central India and the Deccan, they faced many problems for minting of coins. So there was seen the paucity of coins. Coins मुद्रार स्वल्पता बा अल्पता देखा देइछिला सेति पई आर्थिक दिग सेते बेले सचल होई पार नथिला। Decline of towns, I have already told you decline of towns, town शहर मानकर मध्य पतन घटिथिला। So the towns like Ujjaini, Nagpur, Pauni, Ter, Bhokradam, Nasik, Paithan, etc. spread over Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra witnessed similar trends. So the decline of towns and cities is reflected in contemporary literature and inscription. Up to the 6th century, inscription and seals refers to the importance of artisans, craftsmen and merchants in the life of the town. After this, such information stopped. The decline of Buddhist towns in northern India is attested by the accounts of Vinsang, who visited India during the time of Harshavardhana. That was also going to decline after Gupta period. So, Vasyayana Kamasutra, post-Gupta literature such as the Uttani Matam of Damodara Gupta is considered with life in the countryside. Countryside गाँ गाँ कथा से उल्लेख कर गाँव जीवन यापन कथा उल्लेख कर all settlements, however, were not rural in the post-Gupta period. Non-agriculturist settlements appeared at seats of administration. जो स्थान मानक कृषि कार्य हो पार ना समतल थिला से जगह मानक शासन व्यवस्था मिलिटरी गारिसन्स रिलीजियस और पिलिग्रिमेज सेंटर सब निर्माण कर मिलिटरी कैंप्स आर रेफर्ड टू एज स्कंधभरा in inscription of the 5th and 8th century. So all the non-agricultural settlement, variously known as Pura, Patana, Nagara, Rajadhani, were centers of conjunction and not production. So thereafter, we discuss about agrarian structure. Bhumi ba jami jama sankranti विषय आम जानिबा गुप्त परवर्ती समय. So the patronage extended by the kings, princes and chiefs to agriculture, improvement in irrigational facilities, increasing knowledge of agricultural science were some of the causative factors which strengthened rural economy. आर्थिक दिग को सचल करथिला irrigational facilities, एग्रीकल्चर कृषि कार्य जलसेचन व्यवस्था कृषि विज्ञान ज्ञान लोक मन को दिया जाउथिला. Decline of towns may have led to the migration of a number of skilled artisans into the countryside. Land grants in tribal frontiers brought virgin land under cultivation. Land grant दिया जाउथिला कृषक मान को आर्टिसान मान को जो कलाकार थे विभिन्न जो लोक मानकर आवश्यक जो सब घर तैयारी जिन सब से निजर कुटीर शिल्प से डेवलपमेंट टुक प्लेस इन रूरल सेटलमेंट्स इन अर्ली मेडिवल इंडिया. ग्राम वाज द यूजुअल टर्म ऑफ विलेज. गाँ कहला ग्राम कहला. Rural settlements were not of the same kind. We come across other terms denoting different types of rural settlements. Palli normally means a tribal village. Tribal village जो सब जनजाति माने रहुथिले से गुडी को ट्राइबल विलेज कहा जाउथला. पल्ली कहा जाउथला. The expression of Pataka stood for a part of a village. Pataka, गोटे गाँव बा पड़ा बा हैमलेट जो आम कहूँ बा पड़ा कहूँ कह. So a large number of copper plate chapters of the post-Gupta period, while recording land grants, describe various types of land, which include cultivated, uncultivated, high, various types of land. विभिन्न प्रकार जमी विषय से उल्लेख कर कॉपर प्लेट रे. लो वाटर लॉज, मार्शी, grassy, forest land, etc. Places which were donated to and inhabited by the Brahmins were Brahmodaya. Agrahara villages, although they were inhabited by Brahmins, were associated with non-Brahmins as well. Brahmodaya जो गाँ मान ब्राह्मण मान रोते जमीदान करा से ब्राह्मदेव कह जो मैंने ब्राह्मण नथिले नन ब्राह्मण से जमी दिया लैंड ग्रांट दिया अग्रहार कह अग्रहार विलेज ये गाँव कह. agrarian relation बा जमी संक्रांत संपर्क संबंध थिला किसान मान सहित ऑब्लिगेशन थिला जे जमी दान करुला किसी कर्तव्य थिला किसी बाध्य किसी काम करुले. डोनी वाज एंटाइटेड टू कलेक्ट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ टैक्स. He could collect regular and irregular taxes. The Doni enjoyed these exceptional advantages in addition to such regular taxes as Bhago, Bhogo, Koro, Uparikoro, Hiranyo, Udrango, Holikakatra, ये सबू कर सबू से उपभोग करते पल्लव रेकर्ड्स अनुसार पल्लव वंशर रेकर्ड अनुसार 18 to 22 kinds of taxes were there. तापरे feudal growth of closed economy बढ़ी चलला वृद्धि है कहीं आर्थिक अधिक तर मूवमेंट हो पार्ला नहीं मार्चेंट माने अन्य स्थान को जाई पार्ले से जमी जमा संक्रांत विषय बेसी से नियुक्त हेले कृषि कार्य कले से बाह्य तांकर जो वाणिज्य कारबार हो पार्ला नहीं अन्य देश सहित भी हो पार्ला नहीं एवं दूर निज राज्यर दूर स्थान मान सहित हो पार्ला नहीं से आर्थिक सचल हो पार्ला नहीं. The growing sense of localism हो गला बा पाखापाखि सब ट्रेड वाणिज्य कारबार कले. Self-sufficiency of the villages is reflected in expression such as Gramo Dharma, Gramokara, and Stanakara, all referring to village or local practice in contemporary Puranic literature. Puranic literature रे पुराण साहित्य रे वर्णना करा जायछि जे लोकल प्रैक्टिस सब निजर अंचल आंचलिक से माने अभ्यास से सब काम सब करथिले निज निज अंचल काम सब करथिले बाहर को सब जाई पारनथिले. तापर बर्तमान हम जानिबा ये सोशल स्ट्रक्चर कोन थिला सामाजिक गठन कोन थिला सेते बेले मध्ये सामाजिक गठन थिला जे land grant and the emerging landed intermediaries wielding economic power and political authority modified the Varna divided society. Varna divided society. Varna divided society. The new social groups did not fit in with the fourfold Varna system. जो Varna system थिला चारि वर्ण ब्राह्मण्य क्षत्रिय शूद्र वैश्य शूद्र से सब धीरे धीरे लोप पाईगला परवर्ती वैदिक परवर्ती गुप्त युग समय एवं the unequal distribution of landed property created social rank which cut across social status based on Varna consideration. So Kshatriya Varna as a part of the ruling of aristocracy and the tribes in the Sudra Varna not only swelled their ranks but also transferred the Varna divided society. Moreover, the earlier distinction between Bija and Sudra to be modified in the period. Paravarti Gupta Yuga Samari जो वर्णाश्रम धर्म तार उन्नत होइछि जो समस्ते लैंड ग्रांट रो जमी दान रो सुविधा जमी पाइबार सुविधा पाई पारिछन्ति. Lords and peasants, it has already been pointed out that in the agrarian system of this period there were different grades of landlords as distinguished from the peasants. Terms such Bhogi, Bhokta, Bhogapati, Mahabhogi, Brihad Bhogi, etc. were used for the land beneficiaries. Land beneficiaries जमी पाउथिले जमी लाभ करुथिले सेमाननको विभिन्न तांको नारे विभक्त कराइछि भोगी भोक्ता भोगपति महाभोगी बृहत भोगी ए भଳି भाବରେ. The upper landlords included such dignitaries as Ranaka, Raja, Samanta, Mahasamanta, Mandaleswara एपरि भाବରେ जो माने बड़ बड़ जो लैंडलॉर्ड माने थिले जमीदार माने थिले या पाखरे बेसी जमी थिला से माने रनक उपाधि राजा सामंत महासामंत मंडलेश्वर ये नाम परिचित थिले। So the king similarly had many high sounding titles. राजा मानकर मध्य अनेक गुड़िए टाइटल सब थिला बड़ बड़ पदवी सब थिला। The peasantry itself was not a homogeneous community. They were known by various names such as Persaka. कृषक मानक विभिन्न नाम नामित करा जायछि। पर्षक कहा जायछि, कृषि हाल कहा जायछि, विनाश कहा जायछि, क्षेत्रजीवी, हल्लिका, अर्धाशिरी, अर्धिका, कुटुंबी, घूर्णी, कर्षक यही भाव नामित करा जायछि। तबरे कास्ट प्रोलिफेरेशन ऑफ कास्ट कास्ट रे मध्य विभिन्नता देखा देछि। अभीर क्षत्रिय, अभीर शूद्र, अभीर ब्राह्मण, अभीर ट्राइब्स प्रोवाइड्स ए गुड एग्जांपल। अभीर ट्राइब्स ब्राह्मण, क्षत्रिय, शूद्र यही भाव अनेक जाति से माने कृषि कार्य निर्भर करिसेंती एवं कृषि दिगरे अनेक तांकर से उन्नति मूलक कार्य करिसेंती। ग्रोथ ऑफ कयास्था कयास्था आ गोटे केते गुरुर व्यक्ति थिले से माने तांको स्क्राइब बा लेखक कहा जाउथिला। स्क्राइब और द कयास्था community was a product of the socio-economic forces of the times। से समय रे सामाजिक और आर्थिक दिगरे तार विकास करिबा पई कयास्था माने मध्य नियुक्ति पाइथिले। स्क्राइब land grants involve the transfer of land revenues and land to brahmins, religious establishment and official। जो land grant दे जोथला ब्राह्मण माननको रिलीजियस एस्टाब्लिशमेंट जिनकी टेम्पल्स, मठ, मंदिर ये सब को जो दान दिया जाता जमी दान ऑफिसर माननको बा ऑफिशियल माननको कर्मचारी माननको जो जमी दान दिया जाता तांकर दरमा हिसाब रे से सब काम रे ए जो कायस्थ माने नियुक्ति पाइथिले बा श्रेणीर लोक थिले से माने से काम करूथिले। तांकर हिसाब किताब लेखा काम सब ये माने करूथिले। So administrative function created the need of a body of scribes and record keepers। से माने record keeper थे लेखुथिले से माने रिपोर्ट लेखुथिले एवं record keeper मध्य से माने काम करूथिले। Crafts and caste during this period several groups of artisans and craftsmen lost their earlier status and many even came to be regarded as untouchables। To some extent, this may have resulted from the decline of urban centers where craftsmen were in great demand। Urban sector जिते बेले दुर्बल है लागिला तो पतन है लागिला ये जो आर्टिसान्स माने क्राफ्ट्समैन माने से माने तर जीविका हरई बसिले एवं तर निजर जो स्टेटस थिला कामर जो स्टेटस थिला से सब मध्य से माने हरई बसिले। तो परे केमिति वेरियस कास्ट सच एज दी स्वर्णकार गोल्डस्मिथ, मलकार मालाकार गार्लैंड मेकर, चित्रकार पेंटर, नापित बार्बर बा जो आम सेलून गुड़िक जो बार्बर कह emerge out of the numerous crafts, weavers, dryers, tailors, barbers, shoemakers, ironsmith, washermen, and others were reduced to the position of untouchables by the turn of the millennium. So thereafter, decline of Vaishaj, a rise in the social status of the Sudraj। शूद्र मानकर सोशल स्टाटस सामाजिक मर्यादा बढ़ी चलला, मान बढ़ी चलला। परवर्ती गुप्त शासन रे कहीं आगर जो धर्म वर्णाश्रम थिला ताहार प्रभाव धीरे धीरे लोप पाइला समस्ते यही समय लैंड ग्रांट बा जमी ग्रांट पाइले धर्मशास्त्र and similar literature suggests that a major changes was taking place in the social structure within the framework of the four Varnas. A sizable section of the Sudras were rising in social and economic status after their association with agriculture. And sections of the Vaishyas, particularly those at the lower end, were descending at the level of the Sudras. ଶୂଦ୍ର ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଟାଟସ ଜମି ପାଇକରି ତାଙ୍କର ଆର୍ଥିକ ମର୍ଯ୍ୟାଦା ଆର୍ଥିକ ମାନକୁ ବୃଦ୍ଧି କରିପାରିଲେ ଏବଂ ସେମାନେ ବୈଶ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମିଶିଲେ ଏକା ସହିତ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ମିଶି କାମ କଲେ ଏହି ଦୀର୍ଘ ସମୟରେ Indian foreign trades in the post-Mauryan times, the Vaishyas got identified with urban occupations and towns. In a predominantly agrarian settlements of the post-Gupta period, the Vaishya traders and merchants suffered economic loss and social degradation. जो वैश्य ट्रेडर माने बणिक माने वाणिज्य कारबार जो लिप्त थिले से अनेक गुड़ी असुविधार सम्मुखीन पाइले कहीं आगर मुझे कही सारी से बाह्य लोकालिजम थिला चिंताधारा सब कार्य सब निजर लोकाल अंचल पाखापाखि अंचल व्यवसाय काम करुले व्यवसाय चलते so the distinction between the Vaishyas and the Sudras got blurred as the differences is their occupation and standard of living headed. So position of women मानकर पोजिशन से स्थान उच्चरे नथिला स्त्री लोक माने प्रोग्रेस एतेटा नथिला धीरे धीरे पतन हेबार लागिला से समय जो लॉ बुक्स प्रोवाइड फॉर द मैरिज ऑफ वुमेन एट एन अर्ली एज जो नारी माने अर्ली मैरिज करुले एवं प्री पॉवर्टी मैरिज being preferred formal education was denied to them शिक्षा ग्रहण करवा स्कूल को जाइकरी शिक्षा अनुष्ठान को जाइकरी शिक्षा ग्रहण करवा से बारण करा जाइथिला भल भाव शिक्षित शिक्षित हो पारि नथिले women and property came to be bracketed together with adverse consequence for women's status. Women's तापर आ गोटे कथा होची जे they debarred from various sacrifices and ceremonies. पर्व पर्वाणी ये सब से बारण करा जाउथिला The practice of sati system सती सिस्टम आरंभ हो जाइथिला एवं सती सिस्टम कोन जे निजर स्वामीर चिता नाल से झांस दौले आटा गोटे सोशल प्रैक्टिस थिला सेते बेले gained social acceptance during this period. The change of women's gotra upon marriage can be dated to the period after the 5th century CE. So ei bhali sete bele nari मान स्थान उच्चर नथिला से माने शिक्षा ग्रहण करि पार नथिले विभिन्न सभा समिति एवं सेरेमनी पर्वपर्वाणी फंक्शन से माने जोग दे पार नथिले सती सिस्टम बा सतीदाह प्रथा सेते बेले थिला सेटा समाज गोटे कलंकित प्रथा रही जाइथिला जोटा कि नारी माने स्त्री लोक माने बहुत असुविधार सम्मुखीन होउथिले आमे वर्तमान जानिबा जे polity religion and culture in the post Gupta period polity पहले आम जो शासन व्यवस्था राष्ट्र शासन राष्ट्र बा राज्य शासन एमती थिला सेते बेले परवर्ती वैदिक जुग आम जानिबा सेते बेले राजतंत्र थिला राजा माने डिवाइन राइट से माने निजको गोटे स्वर्गीय अधिकार बा निजे सर्वेसर्वा बोली भाबुथिले परम माहेश्वर ରାଜଧିରାଜ ଏସବୁ ଉପାଧି ଜଣା ପଡୁଥିଲା ଯେ ସେମାନେ ନିଜକୁ ସର୍ବେ ସର୍ବା ବା ଈଶ୍ୱରଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତିନିଧି ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ ନିଜକୁ ବିବେଚିତ କରୁଥିଲେ ବା ନିଜକୁ ଭଗବାନ ଈଶ୍ୱର ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ ବିବେଚିତ କରୁଥିଲେ। ତାପରେ ପୃଥିବୀ ବଲ୍ଲଭ ଦି କିଙ୍ଗ ଇନ୍ କିପିଂ ୱିଥ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଥିଓରି ହେଲ୍ଡ ସଚ୍ ଟାଇଟଲ୍ ପୃଥିବୀ ବଲ୍ଲଭ ଦି ବିଲଭଡ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଆର୍ଥ ଗଡେସ୍ he is called the fifth Lokapala as the other existing four Lokapala or guardians of four cardinal directions were namely ସେମାନେ ସେଇ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମଧ୍ୟ କେତେକ ସମୟରେ ନିଜକୁ ତୁଳନା କରୁଥିଲେ। ଏମିତି ଜଣେ ପଞ୍ଚମ ଲୋକପାଳ ହିସାବରେ ଲୋକପାଳ ଚାରି ଜଣ କୁବେର ବରୁଣ ଇନ୍ଦ୍ର ଏବଂ ଯମ ପୁଣି ଏମାନେ ନିଜକୁ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ସମକକ୍ଷ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ନିଜକୁ ପଞ୍ଚମ ଲୋକପାଳ ବୋଲି ବିବେଚନା କରୁଥିଲେ। ସେ ରାଜତନ୍ତ୍ର ଥିଲା ବଂଶାନୁକ୍ରମିକ କିଙ୍ଗ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ହେରିଡିଟାରୀ ରାଜାଙ୍କ ପରେ ତାଙ୍କର ପୁଅ ରାଜା ହଉଥିଲେ। ସେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କର ରାଜନୈତିକ ସଂଗଠନ ଥିଲା political organization there were however many high officials who were at times called ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ପରିଷଦ ଥିଲା ଏବଂ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ମାନେ ରାଜାଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ରାଜ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟରେ। Most of the titles of officials and high officers continued in the post-Gupta period. A class of officials were known as Kumara Matyaj. It seems that most of the high officials were selected from this class or cadre, and so the Kumara Maitya are mentioned in various capacities like Sandhi Vigrahaka, Maha ବଳାଧିକୃତ ଏଇଭଳି ଉପାଧିରୁ ଜଣାପଡ଼ୁଥିଲା ଯେ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଉପାଧିରେ ଭୂଷିତ ରହିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ସେମାନେ ରାଜାଙ୍କ ପରି ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ନିଜକୁ ବେଶୀ ବଳିୟାନ ବୋଲି ଭାବୁଥିଲେ ଏବଂ କ୍ଷମତାଶାଳୀ ବୋଲି ଭାବୁଥିଲେ। Some of them were under the direct control of the kings, whereas some seems to have served the princes and provincial governors. ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ରାଜ୍ୟ ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକୁ ଜଣେ ରାଜା ତାର ସୁରକ୍ଷା ଦେବା ସମ୍ଭବପର ହୋଇନଥିଲା। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ରାଜପୁତ୍ର ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଇ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ରାଜ୍ୟ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପଠାଯାଉଥିଲା। ଆଞ୍ଚଳିକ ରାଜ୍ୟ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପ୍ରୋଭିନ୍ସିଆଲ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ହିସାବରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଠାଯାଇଥିଲା। The officer called Uparika was in charge of Bhukti, an administrative division. Bhukti ମଧ୍ୟ ରାଜ୍ୟର ଗୋଟେ ଶାସନଗତ ଖଣ୍ଡ ଥିଲା ବା ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ଥିଲା। ଆୟୁକ୍ତକ was a member of the bureaucracy who like ବିଷୟପତି function at the village level. ଗାଁ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମଧ୍ୟ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗ୍ରାମ ଶାସନ ଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଗାଁର ମୁଖିଆକୁ ବିଷୟପତି କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା। He was an important intermediate administrative link between the Bhukti and the village. The officials seems to have been paid in cash in the beginning of our period, and later they were just assigned revenue of some designated territories, and they were therefore called Bhogika or Bhogapati. This is known from Harsha Charitra, which refers to the complaint made of Harsha by villagers against such officials. Army ମଧ୍ୟ ରାଜାଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଦିଗ୍ବିଜୟରେ ସେମାନେ ଯାଉଥିଲେ, ରାଜ୍ୟ ଜୟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲେ, ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ସେମାନେ ରାଜାଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲେ ଅନେକ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ସମୟରେ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ Cavalry was an important element of this army. Cavalry କହିଲେ ଆମର ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଅଶ୍ବ ଉପରେ ବସି ଘୋଡ଼ା ପିଠିରେ ବସି ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରୁଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ରାଜାଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲେ। Some maritime state like the Pallavas in the south and had navy ନୌଶକ୍ତି ମଧ୍ୟ ଥିଲା, ନୌସେନା ମଧ୍ୟ ଥିଲେ, ସେମାନେ ରାଜାଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲେ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ। chariots do not figure prominently during this time. रथ व्यवहार से माने एते जानि नथिले. The royal army was supplemented by the military or feudatory chiefs, सामंत. Royal army माने इनको सामंत मध्य कहायथिला. Administrative division तांगर शासनगत डिवीजन मु कहि सारिछि केते गुडे भुक्ति टेरिटोरियल डिवीजन को बड़ बड़ राज्य को भुक्ति रे विभक्त करा जायतिला. तापरे विषय कहायतिला सेही भुक्ति को पुनी भाग कर दिया जायतिला. विषय कहायतिला अनेक गुडे गाँ रे विभक्त कर दिया जायतिला. ताको माने एठी कहबा गले जे सेते बेले सेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट थिला जे केंद्रीय राजा हाथ में समस्त शासन व्यवस्था केन्द्रीभूत नथिला. तल स्तर गाँ स्तर राष्ट्र पर्यंत राजा पर्यंत समस्तंकर सेठी भूमिका थिला. In Eastern India, Visayas were also divided into Bhittis or over and above the village. At the level of Visayas, the officials called Visayapati played a leading role in the administration. Visayapati गाँ लेवल रे गाँ स्तर रे विषयपति तांकर अनेक गुड़िए भूमिका थिला शासन क्षेत्र रे. तापरे हेडमैन एंड द विलेज एल्डर्स मैनेज द लोकल अफेयर्स. गाँ गुड़िकर आंचलिक जो सब समस्या जहाँ सब आवश्यक थिला से सब आवश्यकता पूरण पाई समस्या समाधान पाई गाँव रो हेडमैन माने मुखिया माने गाँव रो जो एल्डर्स बा बड़ बड़ गुरुजन माने से माने राजकार्य साहाय्य करथिले. सामंत सेमी इंडिपेंडेंट लोकल चीफ्स कॉल्ड सामंत. सामंत माने मध्य से माने तांको पाखरे किछटा स्वाधीनता थिला ए राजकार्य रे तांको साहाय्य करिया पाई. So we have already read that Samudragupta conquered and subjected a number of territories. Samudragupta अनेक गुड़िए दक्षिण रे अनेक गुड़िए राज्य से जय करथिले एवं सब राज्य रे से राज्य गुड़ी को जय करी सेठी से शासन करि पार नथिले. सेठी शासन करिया पाई अनेक गुड़िए जो फेउडेटरी रूलर्स बा ये सब सामंत राजा बा तांको गणजात राजा बा सामंत राजा बा सबऑर्डिनेट अलाइज नाम रे तांको कहा जाउथिला एवं से माने राज्य को साहाय्य करथिले. टैक्सेशन टैक्स बा कर आदाय करा जाउथिला. द गवर्नमेंट गॉट मोस्ट ऑफ इट्स रेवेन्यू थ्रू टैक्सेशन. लैंड टैक्स कॉल्ड भोग भाग भोग ये सब गुड़ी को थिला. लैंड टैक्स बा जमी कर ये सब थिला. भाग तांकर राजंगर किछि भाग थिला. भोग were the main items and the land tax actually increased through the centuries. As trade and commerce seems to have declined during the period, commercial taxes are not found permanently because केते बेले commercial tax सब न्याय जाउ नथिला काहे कि ना अगर मु कहि सारी चीज जे ट्रेड बा वाणिज्य कारबार ठीक बा सफल भाव होई पारनो थिला. तापरे land granted to officials and priests are concerned. The government lost much of its revenue from those lands. जेतु जमी गुड़ी को ग्रांट तांको दियाइतला जमी दान दियाइतला सतिपई जमी रो विशेष परिमाण रे टैक्स राजा सरकार से ग्रहण करि पार नथिले. सतिपई मध्य सेते बेले तांकर आर्थिक दिग सचल होई पारिन थिला. पर जुडिशियल सिस्टम तबले विचार विभाग व्यवस्था मध्य थिला. Judicial system was more developed now compared to other times. Many law codes and treaties were compiled during this period, and the Dharma Shastra elaborately dealt with legal matter. Dharma Shastra सेटा जने पार्टिकुलर जने व्यक्ति बा लेखक लिखि नांती अनेक गुडी लेखक लिखिसंती विभिन्न तारना अछि धर्मशास्त्र एवं क्षेत्र उल्लेख करा जायछि डिफरेंट कोड्स अनेक गुड़े कोर्ट जमी करोना अधिकरोना धर्मासन criminal and civil cases were clearly differentiated from each other. Law regarding property and inheritance were elaborate. Of course, justice was based on the Varna classification in society. For the same kind of crime, culprits belonging to a higher Varna but less monument. उच्च वर्णर व्यक्ति माने सेमानकु कम तांकु पनिशमेंट दंड दिया लोअर वर्ण ठार Dharmasastra also insisted that local usages and practices of different guilds and castes should be given due weightage while dispensing justice. धर्मशास्त्र उल्लेख करा जायछि जे विभिन्न कास्ट बा जे संघ सब थिला से सब संघ सदस्य मानकर तांको ड्यू वेटेज ठीक भाव में तांको वेटेज जेतेबेले जो न्याय विचार करते ठीक भाव वेटेज देवाई से उल्लेख रही आम जाना जे धर्म से धर्म थिला विभिन्न धर्म religious history of early India, Vedas, the hymns of the Rig Veda give us for the first time an idea how prayers were offered to deities to please them. Deities বা দেবদেবী মানଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ଖୁସି କରାଯିବ ऋग भेदରେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ ଥିଲା ତାହା ସେମାନେ ଅନୁସରଣ କରୁଥିଲେ। ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଗୁପ୍ତ ଯୁଗର ଅଧିବାସୀ ମାନେ ରାଜକର୍ମଚାରୀ ମାନେ ରାଜା ମାନେ ସେ ସବୁ अनुसरण करते। Simple prayers of the Rig Veda gave place gradually to complex rituals domination by Brahmins, and one can notice the growth of a close relationship between Brahmins and the rulers and warriors in this situation. Not only the wandering ascetics who moved away from the established society, but also the Buddhists, the Jainas did not accept the dominance of the Brahmins. बौद्ध धर्म रे एवं जैन धर्म रे बुद्धिस्ट माने एवं जैन माने ब्राह्मण मानकर आधिपत्य से माने सहजरे ग्रहण करि पार नथिले। The rigid caste rigid social and moral orders which the Brahmins advocated grew up heterodox movement which received support not only from rulers and rich merchants but also from other section of people. In the post-Gupta period, Buddhism reached the height of its glory. The countries outside India and Buddhist structures were constructed on a large scale. Buddhism, Bauddha Dharma, परवर्ती गुप्त युग समय बुद्धिज्म बा बौद्ध धर्म चरम सीमार पहुंची खाली जे भारत नुहे अन्य देश सहित बौद्ध धर्म तार प्रचार प्रसार लाभ करथिला अन्य देश गुड़िक। So certain changes are taking place within Brahmanism as well as within heterodox sects. From the religious point of view, the most important change was that the devotee was considered as being bound to the supreme Godhead by devotion. Bhakti madhyamare, bhakti आंदोलन चलीथिला एवं भक्ति डेभोशन भगवान को सानिध्य लाभ करने भक्ति मार्ग ही एकमात्र मार्ग थिला जो से माने भगवान को पाई पारथिले भगवान सानिध्य लाभ पाई पारथिले खुशी आनंद तांकर दुख दूर हो पारथिला एई आंदोलन द्वारा। Vaishnavism and Shaivism as parts of Brahmanica religion attracted many devotees. Vaishnava dharma एवं शैव धर्म ये ब्राह्मणिकल रिलीजन ब्राह्मण्य धर्म थिला एथिरे वैष्णव धर्म शैव धर्म एक अंश विशेष थिला एमिति image worship became widespread among the Buddhists who worship not only the Buddha or Bodhisattva but also a host of other deities. परे परे बौद्ध धर्म रे मध्य इमेज वर्शिप बा प्रतिमा पूजा थिला एवं सेमान मध्य केतेक अंशरे तांकर निजर निज बौद्ध धर्मर बुद्धिस्ट एवं गौतम बुद्ध से प्रतिमा को पूजा करुले अन्य देवदेवी पूजा करते जैन ठू वार्षिक द इमेज ऑफ तीर्थंकर जो तीर्थंकर थे जैन मान तीर्थंकर जो धर्म उपदेश जो दौले धर्म बाणी शुणुले विभिन्न धार्मिक नीति नियम जो निजर ज्ञान बल पाइपे से तीर्थंकर कहला तीर्थंकर मानकर इमेज बा प्रतिमूर्ति गुड़ी को जैन मान पूजा करते The Brahmins used image worship to build up pantheons of deities by assimilating gods and goddesses from diverse sources. So this is how many female deities, Shakti, became prominent in Brahmanical religions in the period. सही समय रे परवर्ती गुप्त समय रे नारी शक्ति को पूजा करा जाउथला नारी शक्ति बा फीमेल डेटीज नारी देवी भक्ति रूप में पूजा करा जाउथला There is no homogeneity in Brahmanical religions and religious practices. Different sects of Shaivism, such as the Pasupatas, the Kaula, Kapalikas, and the Kalamukhas were opposed to the dominance of the Brahmins. They had their own religious orders centered around mathas. They received support from many royal families. At the same time, Brahmanas who cultivated the Vedas and continued to perform Vedic sacrifice received royal support, and Agrahara settlements of the Brahmins came to be a major link in the spread of Brahmanical ideas. Emergence of Bhakti by devotion. Brahmanism had to accept the growing importance of new gods like Shiva and Vishnu side by side with Vedic gods like Indra and Varuna. Indra and Varuna से देवता मान को मध्य पूजा करा जाउथला. Many other popular deities like Vasudeva, Skanda, and so on. All this led to the growth of the Bhakti cult. An important characteristic of later Brahmanism was its capacity to adopt new trends. This became necessary to meet the challenge of the heretical sects which are opposed to Brahmanism. But besides adopting new gods, Brahmanism gradually shifted its emphasis from Vedic rituals to Bhakti. Bhakti marga hi सर्वश्रेष्ठ मार्ग बोली ब्राह्मण माने विवेचना करुथिले एवं भक्ति मार्ग द्वारा केमिति समस्ते भगवान को सानिध्य लाभ कर पाइबे सेति ब्राह्मण माने चेष्टा करुथिले. भक्ति और लॉयल्टी और डेवोशन समस्त भितर शक्ति प्रदान करुथिला. Bhakti became the dynamic force of later Brahmanism, also called Hinduism. Hinduism, Brahman, Hindu Dharma, Bhakti मार्ग ही एकमात्र मार्ग जोटा कि समस्त शक्ति प्रदान करुथिला एवं भक्ति माध्यम रे आमे सब किछि पाई परिबा बोली शिक्षा दिया जाउथला प्रचार प्रसार करा जाउथला. तापरे सिमिलारिटीज डेटीज मान को भितर अनेक गुडी सिमिलारिटीज देखा देछि बा समानता देखा देछि. जेमिति शिव केम टू बी syncretized with the Vedic Rudra, Bhairava, तांको शिवम को रुद्र मध्य कहछि भैरव मध्य कह देछि. ट्राइबल गॉड Bhairava, Rudra, a tribal god, was worshipped in the forms of in the सिम्बॉलिक एम्बलेम लिंग हिसाब रे तांको लिंग भाव रे हमें पूजा करि थाउ शिवं को रुद्रं को भैरवं को with Shiva were later associated certain other deities such as Skandha, the elephant-headed Ganesha. This theistic cult traced the merit of worship rather than the performance of Vedic sacrifice. Vedic sacrifice का जो बलि प्रथा थिला से सबू ऊर्धरे थिला भगवान को बा देवदेवी को पूजा करिबा भक्ति मार्ग द्वारा तांकू पाइबा तपरे रॉयल सपोर्ट और टेम्पल्स एंड थेइजम बिलीव इन एक्जिस्टेंस ऑफ गॉड भगवान को विश्वास करा जाउथिला जे भगवान अछंती भगवान समस्त स्थान रे अछंती ही इज ऑलमाइटी एवरीवेयर ओमनीपोटेंट एई भली भाव रे तांकू विवेचना करा जे से समृद्धि अछंती समस्त को देखुचंती सेति पे आमे कोनोसी माने से जानि नहंती बोली आमे कहि परिबा नाही सेति पे रॉयल सपोर्ट मिली छी Puranas highlighted the merits secured by visiting great cult entries like Mathura and Varanasi, which were major places of pilgrimage. तीर्थस्थली भावरे तीर्थस्थान भावरे मथुरा वाराणसी तीर्थस्थान लाभ करिछि तीर्थस्थान visiting तीर्थ भ्रमण कले जने मोक्ष प्राप्ति होय बोली हमर मनकर विश्वास अछि भगवान को सानिध्य लाभ करा जाए बोली हम विश्वास अछि सेति पई समस्ते भगवान को पाइबा पई तीर्थस्थान तीर्थस्थली गुडी भ्रमण करुथिले सेति पई राजकीय तीर्थस्थली गुडी को राजकीय तांगर पृष्ठपोषकता साहाय्य मध्य से माने पाई पारुथिले तपरे आमे जानिबा जे Protestant reform in the Bhakti movement of the South and its later transformation. The ideology of Bhakti would bring together kings, priests, and common people within a network of understandable social relation. Bhakti marga, Bhaktir adarsa, समस्तन को गोटिए भावरे बांधि रखिथिला एकाठी करी पारिथिला राजा पुरोहित साधारण लोक समस्तन को गोटे दूर रे बांधि रखिथिला भक्ति मार्ग द्वारा समस्ते एकाठी ही पारुथिले emergence of tantrism tantra religious practices which originated in the most primitive fertile rites of the non-Aryan tribal circles later came to be known as Tantrism. Tantrism, it not only infiltrated into the other civilized cult, Jainism, Buddhism, Saivism, Vaishnavism, etc., but also emerged a challenge and reaction to this cult. तांत्रिक धर्म से लोक मान भर विश्वास थिला से बल से माने बलियान होथिले तंत्र बल एवं किछटा असाध्य कार्य साधित हो पारुथिला The mother goddess was widely prevalent. The aboriginal goddesses entered into Brahmanism as Shakti, Buddhism as Tara, बौद्ध धर्म रे तारा जैन धर्म एच जोखिनी the Gauda Bha, Prakrit texts of the early medieval period associated with Kali and Parvati, with such tribals as the Kols and the Sabaraj. Shakti is known as Matangi, the goddess of Matanga tribes. Chandali, the goddess of the Chandalas. ଏମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏହି ତାନ୍ତ୍ରିକ ଧର୍ମ ପାଇଁ ସେ ସମୟରେ ଲୋକମାନେ ତନ୍ତ୍ର ମନ୍ତ୍ର ତନ୍ତ୍ର ଏହା ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଅନେକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହାସଲ କରିପାରୁଥିଲେ। Culture in the post-Gupta periods ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଗୁପ୍ତ ଯୁଗରେ ବା ଶାସନ ସମୟରେ ସଂସ୍କୃତି କ'ଣ ଥିଲା, ସଂସ୍କୃତି କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଥିଲା, ଆର୍ଟ, ଆର୍କିଟେକ୍ଚର, ଲିଟରେଚର, poetry, the post-Gupta period witnessed great achievements। ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଗୁପ୍ତ ଯୁଗ ସମୟରେ କଳା, ସ୍ଥାପତ୍ୟ, ସାହିତ୍ୟ ଏସବୁ ଦିଗରେ ତାହା ଏକ ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ କୃତିତ୍ୱ ହାସଲ କରିପାରିଥିଲା। The beginning of the temple construction can be traced to the Gupta period as briefly mentioned in Unit 2nd। From the post-Gupta phase, we have the evidence of profusion of temple buildings in both North and South India। ଉଭୟ ଭାରତର ଉଭୟ ଉତ୍ତର ଏବଂ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ଦେଶରେ ଏ ଯେଉଁ ମନ୍ଦିର ନିର୍ମାଣ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଶୈଳୀ ଥିଲା। The scale and grandeur of the temples also grew manifold। Many architectural features such as ground planes evolved from the earlier styles। The flat roof was now replaced by the tall central tower known as Shikhara, and we also see similar Shikharas over subsidiary shrines। ଶିଖର ସବୁ ମନ୍ଦିର ଉପରେ ଶିଖର ସବୁ ଥିଲା, ଯେଉଁ ସବୁ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଶ୍ରାଇନ୍ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ସବୁ ଥିଲା, ସେ ସବୁ ଦେବାଦେବୀଙ୍କର ଥିଲା, ସେ ସବୁ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଶିଖର ସବୁ ଥିଲା। Puranic Hinduism that is reflected in the Puranic literature often depicts a main deity such as Vishnu or Devi being accompanied by first patronus deities। This became evident in the temple's complex dedicated to them। The Shikhara as an additional feature provided ample scope for experimentation in terms of embellishment। This temple's complex began to serve many functions। ମନ୍ଦିର ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଯେ ଖାଲି ପୂଜା ହେଉଥିଲା ତାହା ନୁହେଁ, ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ମନ୍ଦିର ଭିତରେ ମନ୍ଦିର ପ୍ରାଙ୍ଗଣରେ ହେଉଥିଲା। They came to be associated with the coronation, procession, ceremonies of kings। ରାଜାମାନଙ୍କର ତାଙ୍କର ରାଜାଭିଷେକ, procession ceremonies, coronation procession ceremonies ରାଜାମାନଙ୍କର ସେ ମନ୍ଦିର ସ୍ଥାନରେ ହେଉଥିଲା। ସେଠି ଶିକ୍ଷା କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମଧ୍ୟ ଥିଲା। ସେଠି ସେତେବେଳେ ଶିକ୍ଷା ମନ୍ଦିର ପ୍ରାଙ୍ଗଣରେ ଶିକ୍ଷା ଗ୍ରହଣ ମଧ୍ୟ ଶିକ୍ଷା ଗ୍ରହଣ ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଉଥିଲା। Hence king commissioned buildings of monumental temple structure to convey a sense of their power। Mathas were attracted to the temple just like a stupa। ମଠ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ସ୍ତୂପ ଭଳି ଥିଲା। ସେଇଟା ଯେମିତି ବୌଦ୍ଧ ଧର୍ମରେ ତାର ମନ୍ଦିରକୁ ଯେଉଁ ସ୍ତୂପ କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା। It became a center of religious learning where recitation of ପୁରାଣ, ସେଠି ପୁରାଣ ପାଠ ହେଉଥିଲା। ରାମାୟଣ, ମହାଭାରତ ଏସବୁ ସେଠି ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା, ସେଠି ଆଲୋଚନା ହେଉଥିଲା। ମହାଭାରତ, ରାମାୟଣ ସେଠି ପାଠ ହେଉଥିଲା। ପାଠ ଜ୍ଞାନୀ ଲୋକମାନେ, ପୁରୋହିତମାନେ ପାଠ କରୁଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକମାନେ ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଧାର୍ମୀୟ ବିଶ୍ୱାସକୁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଦୃଢ଼ କରିବା ପାଇଁ, ନୈତିକ ଜ୍ଞାନ ପାଇପାରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ରାମାୟଣ ଏବଂ ମହାଭାରତ ସେମାନେ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ। ଲିଟରେଚର, ସାହିତ୍ୟ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେତେବେଳେ ତାହା ଉନ୍ନତିର ଚରମ ସୀମାରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଥିଲା, କୃତିତ୍ୱ ଲାଭ କରିଥିଲା। Sanskrit patronage to Sanskrit continued। ସଂସ୍କୃତ ବା ସଂସ୍କୃତ ଭାଷା, ସଂସ୍କୃତ ଶିକ୍ଷା, ସଂସ୍କୃତ ଭାଷାରେ ଲେଖା ଏସବୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅନେକ ଦିଗରେ ତାହା ପ୍ରଭାବିତ କରିଥିଲା। Post-Gupta period witnessed the perfection of classical Sanskrit। Poets of widespread repute such as Bharavi, कवि मानक भितरे भारवी, कुमार दास, दांडीन एवं ग्रेट ड्रामाटिस्ट और नाट्यकार, विशिष्ट नाट्यकार विशाखा दत्त से जुगरे जन्मलाभ करथिले एवं साहित्य आकाश से माने उज्जवल करथिले। तांकर साहित्य सृष्टि जोगु along with renewed interest in various branches of knowledge such as mathematics, गणित ज्ञान, एस्ट्रोनॉमी, मेडिसिन, एसबुर मध्य सेते बेले साहित्य रे स्थान पाई पारुथिला। दर्शन शास्त्र, जो subjects such as various schools of philosophy like मीमांसा, न्याय, ये सबू ए जुगरे साहित्य स्थान पाइथिला। इतबेले साहित्य कहले इतिहास, इतिहास साहित्य रे इतिहास थिला। साहित्य थिला समाजर दर्पण। लिटरेचर इज द मिरर ऑफ द सोसाइटी। सेथिरे समाज थिला, साहित्य रे समाज थिला, साहित्य रे दर्शन थिला, साहित्य रे इतिहास थिला। सेई साहित्य रे जहाँ ज्ञान जो ज्ञान आहरण करबा थिला सब साहित्य रे कवि माने नाट्यकार माने से माने लिपिबद्ध करथिले। Harsha was an ardent connoisseur and patron of Aladdin. He was himself a poet, dramatist, and writer of three plays. His court poet Banabhatta wrote Harsha Charita. Banabhatta हर्षवर्धनଙ୍କର राज कवि होचंती बाणभट्ट। से हर्ष चरित लिखिथिले जोटा कि हर्षंकर जीवन चरित्र उपरे आधारित थिला एवं कादंबरी। His court attracted poets, dramatists, philosophers and painters from far away. दूरस्थल मध्य ड्रामाटिस्ट, नाट्यकार, कवि, दार्शनिक समस्त को इनवाइट करा जाउथिला, निमंत्रण करा जाउथिला। कनौज असेंबली that was attended by numerous land scholars. जेतेबेले कनौज असेंबली करिथिले जेतेबेले अनेक स्थानरू ज्ञानी स्कॉलर माननकु, विज्ञानी माननकु से निमंत्रण करथिले। सेठी जे सब विषय से आलोचना होउथिला एवं ज्ञान आहरण करबा हर्षवर्धन जीवन एक अंश विशेष थिला। Significant contribution of the contemporary Puranic literature is the writing of Vanso Novelis, genealogical list of kings and dynasties, which is to be seen in the wider context of the Itihasa Purana tradition. Harsacharita describes Harsha's rise to the throne. Sandhyakara Nandin Ramacharita. Ramacharita gives an account of the Pala ruler Ramapala. Ramapalankara, Tankara revolt, Tankara by the kings. Paivarta, disascension of his power. Another evidence of the historical consciousness of people in this time comes from the texts that began to be dated in eras such as the Harsha era of 606. So, next, emergence of Rajput. Rajput मानकर अभ्युदय। भारत रे राजपूत मानकर अभ्युदय होइथिला। सेतेबेले मध्य किछिटा राजनीतिक परिवर्तन देखा देइथिला। Each dynasty had its own genealogy and chronology which represented its rule in India. Then, meaning and significance of the term Rajput. Rajput is derived from Sanskrit word, Sanskrit root Rajaputra. Rajputi Rajaputra ରୁ ଆସିଅଛି son of the kings. Prakrit forms of the term Rajputra are variously known as Rayat, Rauta, Raul, Rayal. ଏସବୁ ନାମରେ ରାଜପୁତ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସମୟରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଯାଇଛି। Son of the king. In the Harsacharita Banabhatta, that was written in 7th century CE, the king term has been used in the sense of a noble or land-owning chief. In Kadambari also it is used for persons of noble descent who are appointed by the king's age, local rulers. Local rulers ବା ସ୍ଥାନୀୟ ଶାସକ ଭାବରେ ରାଜପୁତ ମାନଙ୍କୁ କାହିଁକି ନା ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଶକ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଉଦ୍ୟମ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଦମ୍ଭ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଥିଲା ସେମାନେ ଭୟଭୀତ କରୁନଥିଲେ କାହାକୁ ବା ନିଜେ ଭୟଭୀତ ବି ହୋଇପାରୁନଥିଲେ। ନିଜର ନୀତି ନିୟମ ରାଜପୁତ ମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରୁଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ନିଜର ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ରୀତିକୁ ମାନି ଚଳୁଥିଲେ। ରାଜପୁତ ଏଜ ଏ ମିଲିଟାରୀ ଚିଫ ହିସାବରେ ବା ସାମରିକ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ସମୟରେ ମିଲିଟାରୀ ଚିଫ ସାମରିକ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଭାବରେ ସେମାନେ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ପାଉଥିଲେ। ସମୟ ସମୟରେ ରାଜା ମାନଙ୍କର ସେମାନେ ସମୟ ସମୟ ରାଜା ହେଇଯାଉଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ସେଇ ରାଜା ମାନଙ୍କର ପୁଅମାନଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ବା ସେଇ ରାଜପୁତ କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଯେଉଁମାନେ କର୍ମଚାରୀ ଥିଲେ ରାଜ କର୍ମଚାରୀ ମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଥିଲେ ଅନେକ ରାଜପୁତ ବଂଶର। 36 Rajput clans. Almost all the contemporary texts provided the number of the Rajput clans is 36. The whole list is provided by Prithviraj Rasu, Kumar Palacharita, Varna, Ratnakara, and by an ancient work from a Jaina temple in Marwar. Cole James Todd has studied the clan names of the above sources and prepared his own list, removing some vernacular errors. The comparison of the above list with those of original literature texts reveals that Todd had also included the tribal groups of foreign origin and even those Rajput clans which had originated quite later as subclass. The origin of Rajput. Agnikula origin of Rajput. Agnikula. Chand Borodai in his Prithviraj Rasu refers that the Chalukyas, Prathiharaj, Paramaras, Chahamanas have their origin from the fire pit of Vasishtha. Vasishthaଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଅଗ୍ନିକୁଣ୍ଡରୁ ଏମାନେ उत्पत्ति लाभ କରିଥିଲେ। According to Rasu, Vishwamitra, Agastya, Vasishtha and other sages began a great sacrifice at Mount Abu. Daitaj বা রাক্ষস ডেমন কুହାଯାଏ interrupted it and then Vasishtha created from the sacrificial pit 3 warriors in succession, the Patihara, the Solanki and the Paramara. तीनोटी शक्ति ଯେଉଁମାନେ କି ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ପ୍ରିୟ ଥିଲେ, ବଳିୟାନ ଥିଲେ, ବଳବାନ ଥିଲେ, ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କଲେ, ବଶିଷ୍ଠ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କଲେ। ପ୍ରତିହାର ସେମାନେ ହେଲେ ପ୍ରତିହାର, ସୋଲାଙ୍କି ଏବଂ ପରମାର ସମସ୍ତେ ଥିଲେ ରାଜପୁତ। DC Sirkar puts forth that in Kalhan's Raj Tarangini, Kalhanଙ୍କର ରାଜ ତରଙ୍ଗିଣୀ ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି କାଶ୍ମୀର ରାଜବଂଶାବଳୀର ଚିତ୍ର ଅଙ୍କନ କରାଯାଇଛି ବା ରାଜବଂଶାବଳୀକୁ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରାଯାଇଛି, ଲେଖାଯାଇଛି, ତାହା ହେଉଛି କଲ୍ହାଣଙ୍କର ରାଜ ତରଙ୍ଗିଣୀ। Rajaputra is used in the sense of a mere landowner. They claimed birth from 36 clans of the Rajput. It indicates that by the beginning of the 20th century CE, these clans had already come into existence. During this period, Rajaputras had become a class by themselves, Rajaputra বা Rajput. ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ କଲ୍ହାଣ୍ଡ ରାଜତରଙ୍ଗୀରେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରାଯାଇଛି। Mobility from feudatory to independent states. Some of the Rajput clans emerged out from the feudatory to the independent status. अनेक राजपूत शासक माने सामंत माने से माने परवर्ती समय रे स्वाधीन हो जाइछन्ति, स्वाधीन राजा भाव रे विवेचित होइछन्ति। जेमिति गुजरात रो गुर्जारास, गुहिलास और किष्किंधार गुहिलास, धवगार्था गुहिलास of Mewar, Chahamanas of Gujarat and Rajasthan was a case of transition from feudatory to independent. ସେମାନେ ସାମନ୍ତ ରାଜା ବା ଗଡ଼ଜାତ ରାଜା ଠାରୁ ସେମାନେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ରାଜା ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ବା କାହା କେଉଁ ରାଜାଙ୍କ ଅଧୀନରେ ନ ରହି ସବଅର୍ଡିନେଟ୍ ଆଲି ହିସାବରେ ନ ରହି ସେମାନେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ଭାବରେ ଶାସନ କଲେ ଏବଂ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ସେମାନେ ପାଇପାରିଥିଲେ। ଫୋର୍ଟିଫିକେସନ୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୁର୍ଗ ନିର୍ମାଣ କରାଯାଉଥିଲା, ଦୁର୍ଗ ଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ରାଜାଙ୍କର ବା ରାଜ୍ୟର ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଙ୍ଗ। The Rajput clans strengthened themselves by maintaining military power, one of the chief features of which was the construction and maintenance of forts. ପୁର ବା ଦୁର୍ଗ ଏମାନେ ନିର୍ମାଣ କରୁଥିଲେ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ସୁରକ୍ଷିତ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜ ରାଜ କର୍ମଚାରୀ राज्यर अधिवासी मानू प्रजा मान सुरक्षित रखापी विदेशी शत्रु मुखर से अनेक गुड़े दुर्ग निर्माण करुले। यहाँ राजकार्यर गोटे गोटे अंग थिला। इंटरक्लान रिलेशंस राजपूत मान भितर निज निज भितर संपर्क से सृष्टि करते। मैरेज नेटवर्क बा वैवाहिक संपर्क अनेक गुड़ी जो थिला राजपूत मान थे से भितर वैवाहिक संपर्क रक्षा करी भितर सुसंपर्क स्थापन करते। राइज ऑफ राजपूत स्टेट्स, emergence of the Gurjara Pratiharas. The post-Harsa period was a period of great political turmoil in North India. Kannauj, which was the seat of Harsha, remained a bone of contention. Each one of the political powers was having an eye on it for the occupation. The major political powers which entered into a struggle, generally known as tripartite struggle, were the Gurjara, Pratiharas, Pallas, and the Rashtrakutas. The result of the struggle were not decisive. Temporarily, Pratihara king Nagabhatta boldly annexed Kannauj in the 8th century CE. Nagabhatta, he was a Pratihara king and belonged to Rajput. Could able to occupy Kannauj in the 8th century CE. The Pratiharas gained the supreme power in the north after the conquest of Kannauj. Kannauj को मिसाइबा परे निज राज्य रे मिसाइबा परे अधिकार करिया परे सेई अंचल रे बा विशेष करी उत्तर दिगरे तांकर पतिहारा बा तांकर क्षमता बुद्धि कराइथिले। प्रतिहार किंग, the triangular struggle did not end with the temporary success of the Gurjara Patiharas, but it continued further under the successor of Nagabhatta. Nagabhatta. The Gurjara Pratihara in early 8th century came into prominence first by establishing their seat of power in Ujjaini also. Ujjaini ମଧ୍ୟ ଅଧିକାର କରିଥିଲେ, which was major urban and political centers in western Malwa. The decline of the dynasty in the 10th century CE opened the way for their own feudatory chiefs to declare themselves as independent power. ପ୍ରତିହାର ଡାଇନେଷ୍ଟିର ପତନ ପରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ସାମନ୍ତ ରାଜାମାନେ ଥିଲେ, ମୁଖିଆମାନେ ଥିଲେ, ସେମାନେ ନିଜକୁ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ଭାବରେ ବିବେଚିତ କଲେ, ଯେମିତି ଦି ଚାଲୁକ୍ୟସ୍, ଚାଣ୍ଡେଲ୍ସ, Chahamans, Rahadwalas, Paramaras, Kalachurich, and Guhilas, all of whom were feudatory chiefs of Gurjara Pratihara in different regions. Thus became independent as distinct Rajput clans in their own territory. Major Rajput state after Gurjara Pratiharas. The Kahadwalas, the Chahamanas, the Chandelas, the Paramaras, the Chalukyas, the Baghelas ruled over Gujarat, including Ahilwada during the 13th century. Their capital was Holka. The Dilwara temples of Mount Abu were built by two Baghela ministers, Bastupalo and Tejopalo. Bastupalo and Tejopalo, ସେମାନେ ଦିଲୱାରା ଟେମ୍ପଲ ମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଆବୁ ଠାରେ ଥିବା ଦିଲୱାରା ଟେମ୍ପଲ ନିର୍ମାଣ କରିଥିଲେ। ସେମାନେ ଥିଲେ ବାଘେଲା ମିନିଷ୍ଟର୍ସ। The Kalachurich, the Gohilas, the Kocha Pogotas, the Kocha Wahas of Dupkund were subordinates to the Chandelas, as we do not find imperial titles for the rulers of this time. The Kocha Pagotas were at first the feudatories of the Gurjara Pratiharas. They made themselves master of the port of Gwalior after defeating the ruler of Konoj. Konoj ଶାସକଙ୍କୁ ପରାଜିତ କରି ଗ୍ୱାଲିୟରଠାରେ ଥିବା ଯେଉଁ ଦୁର୍ଗ ସେମାନେ ଅଧିକାର କରିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ନିଜକୁ ଏ ଦୁର୍ଗର ପ୍ରଭୁ ବା ମାଲିକ ହିସାବରେ ନିଜକୁ ବିବେଚିତ କରିଥିଲେ। The region of eastern Rajputana and Gwalior Residency was overruled by three independent branches of Kocha Pagotas. So later Rajput states of western and northeastern Rajasthan, the princess belonging to the, so considering the geographical importance of this region, the princess belonging to the Guhila, Panwar, Chauhan, Sonigara, Sona, Unki, Parmara, and Deora clans carved out their small principalities at several places in western Rajasthan like Khed, Barmar, Sojat, Mandor, Jalore, Bhinmal, Mohewa, Sirohi, and Abu. Some of the Rajput clans of this region are as follows: Rathore, Bhattis, Deora Chauhans, Kocha Pogotas. So they were the Rajput clans of later Rajput states of western and northeastern Rajasthan. So there are several divisions of Rajput clans. It is apparent from the literary and inscriptional evidence of early medieval period, which mentions certain members belonging to the Rajput clans or descents, that the structure of Rajput polity may be defined in terms of proliferation. Proliferation. A later stage, the interclan relationship governing the distribution of power consolidated of the structure of Rajput polity as well. The Rajput clans, with their establishment in different areas, led to the further extension of the Rajput cult, widened the process of emergence of Rajput, which may safely be termed Rajputization. Rajput ମାନେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ଶାସନ କଲେ, ଫେଉଡାଟାରିଜ୍ ବା ସାମନ୍ତ ବା ଯେଉଁମାନେ ରାଜାଙ୍କ ଅଧୀନରେ ଥିଲେ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସମୟରେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ପାଇକରି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ରାଜ୍ୟ ଅଧିକାର କରିକିରି ରାଜପୁତ ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ବା ରାଜପୁତ ମାନଙ୍କର ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ଭାବରେ ବିବେଚିତ କରିଦେଲେ। So, political and military system of the Rajput. Interstate rivalries are represented by the struggle for supremacy. There were struggles for supremacy. The king was the supreme head of the state and the conductor of the overall executive, judicial and military administration. Raja राज्यर सर्वेसर्वा थिले, से कार्यपालिका, न्यायपालिका एवं सामरिक शासन रे मध्य निजको साबिल करी सब क्षेत्र से सहयोग करथिले। He was assisted in administrative matter by the queens, a number of whom figures in the records of different dynasties of our period. अनेक समय रानी मान द्वारा राजा माने साहाय्य प्राप्त होउथिले। The ministerial council acted as a consultative body on all the important matters of polity. राज्य शासन रे मंत्री परिषद गुरुत्वपूर्ण भूमिका थिला। परवर्ती समय the office of the ministers were generally hereditary. The officials often adopted the feudal titles like official माने बा राज कर्मचारी माने मध्य सेमानंगु अनेक गुड़िए पदवी टाइटल्स तो दिया जाउतला। राजपुत्र, रानक, ठाकुरा, सामंत, महासामंत, राउत etc. So the territorial administration consisted of the Visayas, Bhuktis, and other subdivisions was usually fully governed by a class of power feudatories entitled usually as Mandaleswara Bhara, Mandalikas, Samantaj, Thakuraj, Ranakas, Rajaputras, etc. The administrative head in village, apart from the village headmen, were the Panchakulas, a body of 5 members in a village like Panchayat. ସେତେବେଳେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଥିଲା। ଗାଁ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ବା ଗାଁ ସମସ୍ୟା ସମାଧାନ ପାଇଁ, ଗାଁର ମଙ୍ଗଳ ପାଇଁ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଥିଲା। ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଞ୍ଚକୁଳ କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା। The village men were the ପଞ୍ଚକୁଳ। ଗାଁର ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଭଲ ମନ୍ଦ କାମରେ ସେମାନେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲେ, ସେମାନେ ନ୍ୟାୟ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରୁଥିଲେ। Mahatras, village elders. The official post and designations of administrative officials at various levels were different under the various Rajput clans. So, the feudalization of political structure of the Rajput had also resulted in their military organization. The military functions were mainly played almost under all the Rajput clans by the feudatory chiefs of various ranks. The chief obligation on the part of such chiefs was to serve the king and the respective overlord at the time of war and fighting. The literary source like Lekhopadha, Lekhopadhati, Prithviraj, Vijaya, Mahakavya, and the contemporary inscriptions throw sufficient light on such obligations and duties of the feudatory towards the state and the overlord. ସାମନ୍ତ ମାନଙ୍କର ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ତାଙ୍କର କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଥିଲା, ଅବ୍ଲିଗେସନ୍ ଥିଲା ରାଜାମାନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି, ସେହି ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ପ୍ରତି ଯେଉଁଟାକି ସେତେବେଳେ ରାଜ୍ୟ ଶାସନ ଅତି ସୁଦୃଢ଼ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଥିଲା। The powerful feudatories did not hesitate to declare themselves as independent in the hour of weak position of the king. The political system of the Rajput is to be defined as bureaucratic cum feudal in character. Feudal in character, ସାମନ୍ତ ରାଜାମାନଙ୍କର ଅଧୀନରେ ସେମାନେ ଥିଲେ। ରାଜାମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେମାନେ ରାଜାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଦେଶ ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଥିଲା, obligation thila. Organization of troops in general, different dynastic clans probably had the tendency to organize the various components in their army in war in accordance with their own convenience. The chief weakness of the Rajput military was their backwardness in the field of military technology, unlike the Turks, and were fully conversant with the mounted archery and its strategic use in warfare. राजपूत मानकर जो युद्ध रीति थिला, से युद्ध रीति ସେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ମାନିବାକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ ଥିଲେ। ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ରୀତି ଦ୍ୱାରା ହିଁ ଅନେକ ସମୟରେ ସେମାନେ ଅନେକ ସମସ୍ୟାର ସମ୍ମୁଖୀନ ହୋଇଥିଲେ। ଏପରିକି ନିଜ ରାଜ୍ୟକୁ ସେମାନେ ହରାଇ ବସିଥିଲେ। तो राजपूत फोर्ट्स, राजपूत मानकर दुर्ग निर्माण कार्य ସେମାନଙ୍କର ରାଜ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟର ଗୋଟେ ଅଙ୍ଗ ଥିଲା। Forts attended an inevitable importance under the Rajput ruler. These forts served as a great means of the defense of the Rajput. ରାଜପୁତ ମାନଙ୍କର ରକ୍ଷା ପାଇଁ, ପ୍ରତିରକ୍ଷା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଦୁର୍ଗ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲା। They fought with their Muslim adversaries from the walls of these forts, relying the strategic and militaristic importance of forts. The Rajput rulers paid several attention to possess them and erect several new ones in order to strengthen their military power. ତାଙ୍କର ସାମରିକ ଶକ୍ତିକୁ ସେମାନେ ଶକ୍ତିଶାଳୀ କରିପାରିଥିଲେ। ଦୁର୍ଗରୁ ରହିକରି ସେମାନେ ଶତ୍ରୁ ସହିତ ଲଢ଼େଇ କରିପାରୁଥିଲେ, ଶତ୍ରୁକୁ ପରାଜିତ କରିପାରୁଥିଲେ, ବାହ୍ୟ ଶତ୍ରୁ ସେମାନେ ଆସିଥିଲେ। So the Chauhans and Paramaras both were outstanding builders of forts in Rajasthan. ରାଜସ୍ଥାନରେ ଚୌହାନ୍ସ ବଂଶର ରାଜପୁତ ମାନେ, ପରମାରସ ଏମାନେ ରାଜସ୍ଥାନରେ ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଦୁର୍ଗ ନିର୍ମାଣ କରିଥିଲେ। Almost all the big forts had either been constructed or renovated by them. ଯେମିତି the fort of Mandalgarh is believed to have been built by Chauhan king of Ajmer, probably around the 13th century CE. The fort of Nagpur, situated in the northeast of Jodhpur, is supposed to be built one of the feudatories of the Chauhan king, Someshwara, the father of Prithviraj Khan. The fort constructed by the Paramaras were large in number. Anchalgarh is believed to be erected by Paramartha chief, which was constructed in the 9th century CE, and that was rebuilt by Maharana Bhumibol 1442 CE. So if any doubt, no, thank you so much. This class,
Thank you,
class is
sir.
the class is over. Next class we shall discuss about unit 10, unit 11, and unit 12. So you come with prepare for well understanding of this class. Thank you
Yes,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, idea